Exciting news from Graffiti Shield. We're kicking off a new elevator restoration project at the Fullerton Train Station. Today, Ryan, our expert surveyor, is on site using 3D scanning technology to get precise measurements for our metal shield and multi-layer glass shield. As you can see in the video, graffiti has left its mark on the elevator, but we're here to change that. With our cutting-edge anti-graffiti solutions, we'll restore the elevator's appearance and ensure it stays protected. The city recently unveiled the newly renovated train station with a ribbon-cutting ceremony. We're proud to be a part of the revitalization. Stay tuned as we move forward with the installation and continue to protect public spaces from vandalism.